Movie Bookie by Jeff Kanzy.
Episode 1, A Girl Dares to Fish. I'm Yola and to be an angler is my passion. That's how my challenge takes flight. But first let me introduce myself. I'm a teen who likes to explore. I like to learn new innovations that can support our village. Most times, villagers are astonished at what I'm able to undertake. Yet I have a tiny body. Talking of my appearance, I have a smooth, pale complexion and I wear an elaborated embroidered kanga, and boots. I don't do chores meant for girls in our village. I find unique ones. I also go to school and plan to go to college. I know my village needs awakening and that what KORA and I are all about. KORA is my friend, he is my age mate, he likes to wears t-shirts and short pants, but you'll learn more about him in the story. Now let's get back to flight mode. The wind swooshed vehemently, scattering leaves in all directions and blowing over the water, forming waves. Silently as I sat by the creek facing toward the waters, I saw anglers who were done fishing fold their fishing rods. In that mode, my imagination became louder in my mind about Woodlands Village, and how it is blessed with talents and natural resources. That's when a passion for becoming the first lady angler one day made my mind unsettled to the point I wanted to attempt it. In our village, girls cooked, fetched water and washed. But I felt like performing a duty that was beyond my purported capabilities, even if it meant going against all odds. When I returned to the village, I found my foster mother, YOLA, threshing maize for githeri. Our local food, mixed beans with maize then boiled in a pot for hours. Sometimes we leave it to cook overnight on low fire. The fire has to be from charcoal or firewood because it needs a lot of heat. "Excuse me, mother, I want to know how to fish," I said. "Shut it, young girl, let no one hear you speak of such thing again," YOLA warned me. Oh. When I was born, my mother succumbed to excessive bleeding. After a year, my father, Grego, remarried YOLA. She was my mother's younger sister. My father never wants to talk about it. Sometimes when my elder sister had altercation with her, she would confront our father and complain about YOLA and why her father had to marry her. But father would not answer. He could quell the tension and agree to talk to YOLA, changing the topic immediately. I wondered why men in our village could do whatever they so pleased, yet ladies were either cautioned or prevented to try out their desire. I remember I had once asked my father to take me fishing and he opposed the idea. "Fishing is for boys, find something ladylike to do," he advised.
Stay tuned to
But I
part 2.
wasn't convinced.